Good morning, students. In this chapter of Where Do We Live, Part 2, I am going to explain about some special houses. Here are some special houses and they are stilt houses, igloo, houseboat, tents and caravan. Here are 5 special houses. First I'll explain about stilt houses. These stilt houses are mostly found where it rains very heavily. These stilt houses are built on strong wooden poles or bamboo poles. These stilt houses are built on strong wooden poles or bamboo poles. And the roof of these stilt houses are sloping so that whenever it rains, all the water will slope down easily. And these type of houses are mostly found in the states of Meghalaya. Meghalaya and Assam. Next is igloo. Igloo is a dome-shaped house made of ice blocks. And the walls of these igloos are very thick. The house of igloo is dome-shaped. And the wall of these igloos are very thick. And these igloos are mostly found in Greenland. And who live in these igloos? Eskimos people. They live in igloos. Next, the third point is houseboat. What is a houseboat? Houseboat is a floating house that moves on water. It is a floating house that moves on water. These houseboats have well-furnished rooms. And these houseboats are found in the Lake of Kashmir and backwaters of Kerala. The next point is tents. What is a tent and who uses tents? Tent is a house made of canvas that can be fixed and folded easily. It can be carried from one place to another. And who use tents? Campers and mountaineers use tents. And the next 5th point is caravan. Caravan is a house on wheels. It is a mobile house which is carried by animals or vans. So children, here we saw some special houses. They are stilt houses, igloo, houseboat, tents, caravan. What is stilt house? Stilt house, these houses are made on strong wooden poles or bamboo poles in places where it rains very heavily and flood occurs. These houses are mostly found in Meghalaya, in the states of Meghalaya and Assam. Next, we saw igloo. Igloos is a dome-shaped house made of ice blocks. And it is mostly found in Greenland. And who live in igloos? Eskimos people, they live in igloos. Third, houseboat. Houseboat is mostly found in Dal Lake of Kashmir and backwaters of Kerala. It is a floating house and it has well furnished rooms. Fifth, tents. Tents are house made of canvas that can be fixed and folded easily. And who uses tents? Campers and mountaineers, they use tents. These tents can be carried from one place to another. And fifth, caravan. Caravan is a house on wheels. This caravan are mobile house which is carried by animals or vans. So children, watch this video carefully and understand the topic, some special houses. Thank you.